Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned refried beans better. First, choose a good quality canned refried bean as your base. Then, to improve the texture, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth per 15-ounce can. Heat the beans slowly over medium-low heat, stirring often to prevent sticking and ensure even warming. This simple step makes a big difference. To truly elevate the flavor, begin by sautéing some aromatics. Dice about 1/4 cup of onion and 1 clove of garlic. Cook them in a tablespoon of oil until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, stir in your refried beans. This creates a delicious foundation that significantly enhances the overall taste profile. Now, let's talk about seasoning. Spices are key to transforming bland beans into something amazing. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Stir these in thoroughly. Remember to taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. A little extra seasoning goes a long way here. For an extra touch of richness and creaminess, stir in a tablespoon of butter or a splash of heavy cream just before serving. This adds a luxurious texture. Garnish your improved refried beans with fresh cilantro, crumbled cottage cheese, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve them warm as a fantastic side dish or as a flavorful filling for your favorite Mexican-inspired meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.